Are you bearish on crypto right now? The reason may be understandable, but the setups to earn solid yield are still there. They just need to be pointed out. Setups which can be very rewarding for everyday users like you and me, and as well push the straightforward evolution of TradFi assets getting scaled on-chain. The recent deployment of the pair FRAXUSD and USP provides exactly that. And if you provide liquidity right now, you get up to 60% in APY. A stable backed by T-bills and cash equivalents, and USP which is backed by institutional credit. Head over to curve.finance. Connect your wallet here on the right and further make sure you already swapped into both assets. Then enter the amount you want to provide, verify and click on deposit. Done, and the setup is already earning solid returns, currently paid in WFRAX, which is the wrapped version of the ecosystem token of FRAX, therefore to benefit of the potential huge growth of FRAX Finance itself. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to leave a follow and see you soon, lads.